All right, we just finished at Casa 1880 and we already made it to the Malecón. We're 5 minutes from arriving to Karen Grunstein's new listing. I've never seen this and I'm excited, and I think not only will I like it, but I think you will too. Stay tuned. Hey Karen, thanks for having us here at your brand new listing. Let's go on inside.
Welcome to 207 Playa de la Paz.
Karen, this condo is fantastic. The location is phenomenal. Let's talk about the inside of how many bedrooms are there?
It has 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, but it's very spacious. When you say it like that, it doesn't sound that big, but it's 3,558 square feet, so it's pretty spacious, and that includes this huge terrace.
Now, the advantage of the condominium project is not just the inside, but the outside. Tell us about the amenities.
Well, this is a very unique building in La Paz. So Playa de la Paz is a gated beachfront community that has a pool, a gym, tennis court. It has volleyball and also a kiddie park. So really when you come here, it's more or less like being in a resort. You have everything you need, you have the beach, and there is not many properties in La Paz that offer you the beach, that are really beachfronts where you can be on the sand.
So not only do you have a large swimming pool, you have the beach, you have the ocean, you have the gym, you have the gated security, a great zip code, great neighborhood, but the Malecón is right in your backyard.
Yeah, you have almost everything nearby. You have downtown La Paz, El Malecón, all the best restaurants, and that's 10 minutes away. But you also have Puerta Cortez, which is minutes away, and that's one of the best marinas in Baja. And also it has an 18-hole golf course. And this condo gives you the opportunity to become a member, because it's not like if you want to be a member, you cannot. You have to own in the Puerta Cortez project, and Playa de la Paz is part of that project.
Okay, now we're elevated off the ground floor, so we have great unblockable views. And
Totally.
This project, how many units are in total?
23 units in total. This one we're in the 2nd floor, and yeah, the view is unblockable and it's amazing. You have the turquoise water right there all year long.
And Balandra Beach is not very far either.
No, I would say 20 minutes away, because we are north of La Paz.
This is a great listing. Thank you so much for showing me and our audience. And anyone, if you're interested in this unit or units in this complex, contact Karen Grunstein. She's with Ronival Real Estate. And until the next one, bye for now.